Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you and I hope you all are safe. May be excited for my class, so I am here to teach you SST Standard 2 Chapter 15 and the chapter name is Animals Around Us. Now in this chapter we will see the different types of animals around us and the exercise also that I will give here only on second video, so please watch the both videos carefully and I am explaining, so please just be there. And one more request, it's please only request to you, please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members. You can enjoy like playing the ludos, carom, video games. In fact, you can complete your holiday homework, also project works, because these homework it will add in your term 1 exams. So it's better that you can complete, and because whenever the school will open, I want all the homework and project work, because I have all the details at date wise. So it's better that you have a lots of time nowadays, so use that time. Please don't don't ignore this time. So till now if you have not completed your work, then please complete it. And again, after finishing the chapter, the question answer I will upload on the website of Hartford International School. You can go there and then you can check your homework. And whatever the homework you are receiving, please do it in good handwriting and legible handwriting and use the dark pencil. Please, you can complete your homework and use the time. And I might guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy, and whenever you are going to eat your meals, please wash your hand properly at least 30 seconds, because of that maybe the germs will die. And please be and we all know that it's very serious disease, COVID-19. It's virus. Because of this virus we can die also. So it's better that we can enjoy the time with families and we can be at home and you can attend the online classes also. And whatever the homework is there, you can complete it. And one more thing is there, that if you don't purchase your book, then please purchase it as soon as possible. I am reading, so you also read with me. Now we will see the different types of animals around us. So because of these previous classes we have learned about the different types of plants around us. So after the plants we have the animals, because these two are the very important things in our body and it helps our work easier and makes our life also very easier. So there are many different kinds of animals around us. So when we will go outside and we can see that there are different types of animals around us. Yes, exactly, we can find that different types of animals around us. Some are small, while some are big. So you can recognize that the some animal is very small and some are big. Some animals live close to our homes and are quite useful to us. You can see that some animals is they can live very close, like a friend with us with our homes, and some are very useful to us in our daily life. So such animals are known as domestic animals. So the animals which lives with us in our homes and it is useful to us, so that animals are known as domestic animals. You can underline from here from the second line, from the some animals. So please underline from there. You can underline some animals. I am reading, so from there you can underline. So some animals live closer. Some animal live closer to our homes and are quite useful to us. Are quite useful to us. Some animals live close to our homes and are quite useful to us. Such animals are known as domestic animals. Such animals are known as domestic animals. This also you can underline. We also keep some animals at home. We also keep some animals at home, so that as pet. So the animals which lives very closer to our homes and it is very useful to us. So such animals is called what? Such animals are called wild animals. Such animals are known as domestic animals. And we also keep some animals at home, that is as our pets. Next line also you can underline. See, whenever I will ask that what is domestic animal and what is pets, so whatever I told you to underline, the definition is in this line only. So please, once the online class will over, you can go through the chapter and you can read all the things. So the next line also you can underline. There are some animals. From there, it is the definition of wild animals. So if I will ask that what is wild animal, then you can say these all things. But whenever the online class will over, please learn and please revise it and please read the book also. So you can underline from there. There are also some animals. There are also some animals that live in the jungles. That live in the jungles far away from us. The animals, there are some animals are there which lives in the jungles and very far away from us, means it is very far away and lives in the jungle. So such animals are called wild animals. Such animals are called wild animals. In fact, they are danger for us also. They can die also. They can kill also for kill the person also, kill the human beings also. That's why they lived in the jungle and they are very far away from us. We can't keep as a pets animal because they are very dangerous. So it's better that some animals who lives in the jungle and very far away from us, that animals are called wild animals. That animals are called wild animals. Lions and tigers are wild animals. So these are the two examples which are wild animals, and they lives in jungles and it lives very far away from us. So wild animal is what? Some animals that live in the jungles far away from us, that animals are called wild animals. Lion and tiger are wild animals. So here, in whatever I told you to underline, in this you can see that you have a definition of domestic animals, you have a definition of pets, and you have the definition of wild animals. These all are the three important points, and these you have to learn it once the online class will over. So whatever I told you to underline, so please learn it. Next is, animals are found in many places. Animals we can find some many places. First, in the sky, we can find some animals in the sky like birds, crow, many animals are there. Then second, on trees like the monkey, squirrel, and then birds. So these animals, it lives on the trees. On land like horse, tiger, then buffalo, many more are there, lion, tiger. In fact, in water like the frog, crocodile, fish. So these all are the animals which find that in different places. Like some animals it finds in the sky, some animals they find on the trees, some animals they find on land, some animals they find in water. So we can find the animals in many places. Like we find animals anywhere. Like we can find, in fact in one room also we can find animals like lizards on the wall, ants on the floor. So I think these all are the members of our families. Like they are every time, so like at presents in our home. Like the lizard is what? They always present on the wall. Ants, they also present on the wall. Fish in the water and birds in the sky. So fish is what? It is always present in the water, and birds is always we can see in the sky. So these all are the animals they find in many places. Now can you spot 10 animals? One picture is there in page number 75 and 10 animals are there. So can you spot that 10 animals? Can you see that 10 animals in the park here in this picture? So sort them as big or small animals. So please you can just divide it into whose animals are small and whose animals are big. So that it's the in second videos I will told the small and big animals. First of all, you can recognize, you can just see the 10 animals is there, and then I will give you these answer in the next videos, and then I will explain the next pages, and the exercise also I will give, or if I will not give the exercise in videos, I will upload on the website. Till that, thank you and have a nice day.